Hi guys, so we are at Grimsby Town Station, level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe Thorpe. That's a quieter line for a station crossing. There we go. Now, the time is 9:18 on Thursday the 6th of August 2015. This is for hour 9:20, 2 Tango 30, each minutes train service to Newark Northgate. Got a focus camera with you. This crossing's got a footbridge here. Some over here with the barriers. This crossing's had a full upgrade, this has. Doors are shut. But the Honeywell's going to be an OD. Yes, it is already. 15333. To Newark Northgate, and they go. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.